Request for an early release from prison denied. John Carter admitted to causing a missing Fairfield woman's death.
This has been an emotional story for a long time, and so now he's going to have to serve this entire 3-year sentence in state prison for Caitlin Markham's death. Karen Johnson back on this for us. She is live from the Butler County Courthouse to explain what happened after the ruling that left some folks shaken. Hi there.
Yeah, Mike, a lot happened today inside the Butler County Courthouse. But first, you're right. John Carter learned he will have to serve his full sentence for causing the death of his fiancee, Caitlin Markham. But then in the hallway, Carter's mother and attorney made some statements that stunned quite a few people, including Caitlin's father, who was standing just feet away. He'll be heading back to prison. John Carter walking into court today, hoping a judge would let him walk out early after serving half of his 3-year sentence. Judge Dan Hoy agreed Carter has been a model inmate.
But we don't get to hit a reset button. We don't get to undo what's been done. Boy, I'm a great guy other than that day that I killed someone.
In 2024, Carter admitted he caused his fiancée Caitlin Markham's death 13 years earlier, but never said how or why. Carter was given the opportunity to explain. Instead, he once again stayed silent.
He has, after all, taken the coward's way out and should be given nothing more by this court than the maximum sentence.
What followed outside the courtroom was even more jarring. Carter's mother and new attorney Carl Lewis spoke publicly.
And I have to say this because I've been directed to do so by my client and his family. He still, notwithstanding this plea agreement, has nothing to offer to Mr. Mose or anyone about what happened to Caitlin Markham. He is devastated. He's asking them to go out and find the real person.
Lewis says Carter pleaded guilty to involuntary manslaughter because he didn't want to risk spending life behind bars if convicted of murder.
He stands by the fact that he did not cause this death. So you wanted that to be clear. He wanted that to be clear. Correct?
Yes.
Carter's mother adding she's been devastated by Caitlin's death.
But I adored Caitlin. I adored Caitlin, and I knew that they had a good relationship.
All words spoken within earshot of Caitlin's father.
That was the most bizarre. That was lies. And then for her to turn around and say that John, go out and find the real killer. It's delusional.
And as shocked as Dave Markham was to hear those words spoken in the hallway, he did tell me he was very satisfied with Judge Dan Hoy's decision to make John Carter serve his entire sentence. And Dave Markham also told me he really did not expect Carter to come clean. Reporting live tonight in Hamilton, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.
Karen, thanks so much.